Alright, hi everyone.
Hi, hello sir.
I'll put you in scale for yourself. Are you guys happy to be here today?
Yes.
Are you enjoying your class?
Yes, we are really enjoying it, sir.
Interesting. The last time I was talking to you about the fact that a producer does not listen with double concentration, which I explained to you what it was. Those that came yesterday. I mean, you were coming for something else, but you ended up learning something yesterday. And you realize that if you're static and not versatile in stuff, you will not be able to do what you're supposed to do. You become stuck. Because if all you know is one thing, how can you go forward? Now, as a producer, you need to listen to more music. Different genres of music. A lot of producers today, when you listen to their beats, they are all in one mode. Is that not true?
Yes.
They use the same sample for Mr. A, using the same thing for Mr. B. No creativity, everything is the same. You can even hear the same drum pattern in the song in another person's song. How creative are you? I want you to be the breed of a new producers that are doing something so different from what others are doing. Understand what you're doing. We've had the class of teaching you the 10 popular genres, and you understand that creating music is not just, for now, the people will say Afrobeat. Even they didn't understand what pop is. Pop is not a style. What is pop? It's something that is popular. It's not a style. The Afro is the style. You understand? So we have different kind of genres that you need to understand and know how to what? Create them. So if you're a producer and you know how to save your samples, you know how to save your presets, and you are applying the same presets in every other genre, what do you think you're doing? If you apply a preset you use for reggae in Afrobeat, and because you think it sounds well for you, there's something called scoring. There are people that score music. When they listen to the song, they know that what you've done is not right, but you might think that you've had your way, and yet when they get there, they have these little problems. They want to give you a contract, they check your work, they realize that what you did is not right. So it is good to do the right thing when it comes to production. Apply the right plugins. Use the right instruments for the right genre of music. I hope you understand what I'm saying.